Ever wondered what simple ingredients like potatoes and eggs could possibly have in common with history? Well, get ready to delve into a culinary journey with me today because we're about to uncover the fascinating tale behind one of Spain's most beloved dishes, tortilla española. But before we dive into the sizzling pan of history, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss out on our tasty historical adventures. Picture yourself strolling through the vibrant streets of 19th century Spain. It's a time of hustle and bustle where hard-working individuals toil under the scorching sun. Amidst this hustle, a humble dish emerges from the depths of Spanish kitchens, tortilla española. Legend has it that this simple yet satisfying dish was born out of necessity. Imagine weary laborers returning home after a long day's work, their stomachs grumbling for sustenance. With just a handful of basic ingredients, potatoes, eggs, onions, and a pinch of salt, they concocted a meal fit for kings. But why these particular ingredients, you may wonder? Well, let's break it down. Potatoes were plentiful and affordable, making them a staple in Spanish cuisine. Eggs, on the other hand, provided a protein-packed punch, essential for replenishing tired bodies after a day of hard labor. And then there's the onions, adding a subtle sweetness and depth of flavor to the dish. It's these simple yet harmonious components that give tortilla española its distinctive taste and character. As the years rolled by, tortilla española didn't remain confined to the kitchens of Spain. It ventured beyond borders, captivating the hearts and taste buds of people far and wide. Now let's fast forward a bit and explore how this humble Spanish dish skyrocketed to global fame. As the 20th century dawned, tortilla española transcended its humble origins, embarking on a culinary conquest that would span continents. From the sun-kissed shores of Spain to the bustling metropolises of the world, this eggy marvel began popping up on menus far and wide. But what exactly sparked this worldwide love affair with tortilla española? Well, for starters, it's the perfect embodiment of comfort food. Hearty, satisfying, and oh so delicious. Whether you're enjoying it as a tapa in Madrid or a brunch staple in New York City, there's something undeniably comforting about a slice of tortilla española. But it's not just about comfort, it's also about versatility. Tortilla española can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it the ultimate anytime, anywhere dish. And let's not forget its simple yet robust flavor profile, which pairs beautifully with a variety of ingredients and cuisines. From traditional recipes passed down through generations to creative spins dreamed up by innovative chefs, tortilla española continues to evolve and adapt, all while staying true to its roots. So the next time you find yourself craving a taste of Spain, look no further than tortilla española. Its journey from humble beginnings to global icon is a testament to the power of good food to bring people together, one delicious bite at a time. It's time to dig a little deeper into what makes this dish so irresistible and where it might fall short. Let's start with the positives. One of the greatest things about tortilla española is its simplicity. With just a handful of basic ingredients, potatoes, eggs, onions, and salt, you can whip up a dish that's hearty, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, whether you're serving it hot for breakfast, cold as a snack, or as part of a tapas spread for dinner. Tortilla española fits the bill. It's like the little black dress of the culinary world, always appropriate, always chic. But like any dish, tortilla española has its drawbacks. Some purists might argue over the perfect thickness or whether onions should even be included. And let's not forget the eternal struggle of flipping the darn thing without it falling apart. But hey, imperfections are part of what makes tortilla española so endearing. Whether it's a slightly runny center or unevenly cooked potatoes, each imperfection tells a story of its own. So the next time you're enjoying a slice of tortilla española, embrace its quirks and imperfections. After all, it's these little idiosyncrasies that make each bite a delicious adventure. We've journeyed through time, traversed continents, and uncovered the rich tapestry of history behind tortilla española. But as our culinary adventure draws to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the significance of this iconic dish. From its humble beginnings as a simple meal for Spanish laborers to its status as a beloved global delicacy, tortilla española has truly stood the test of time. It's more than just a dish, it's a cultural symbol, a culinary ambassador that brings people together across borders and generations. But perhaps what makes tortilla española truly special is its ability to transcend language and cultural barriers. Whether you're sharing a slice with friends in Madrid or savoring it solo in a bustling metropolis, the experience is universally delightful. Thanks for joining me on this savory adventure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And until next time, keep exploring the delicious depths of food history. Hasta luego!